This is an unboxing of a Lenovo T16 Gen 2. This is the power adapter, just a 65 watt USB-C. Some papers in here. All right, we're just going to go over the ports here. So on this side, just the fan slots, and then the USB, regular USB, a Kensington lock slot. On the back, this would be if you had a SIM slot option, but I don't on this one. And then we've got the full-size Ethernet, 2 USB-C, full-size HDMI, and another regular size USB, and a combo audio port. And on the front there. On the bottom, just a reset hole down here, and that is it. And this one's got fingerprint reader up there on the keyboard. And then up here, just the dual mics and the little privacy switch on the webcam. And that is it for this one.